Hey everyone and welcome to an adventure in Osaka, Nara and Kyoto. From the bright lights of Dotonbori to the tranquil temples of Kyoto, I'm taking you through some of the best spots in these iconic cities. So grab a snack, relax and let's dive into the ultimate spots in Osaka, Nara and Kyoto. First up, Osaka Dotonbori. Osaka's Dotonbori is a sensory overload with bright lights and amazing smell of street food. No visit is complete without trying takoyaki, the iconic ball-shaped snack filled with diced octopus, cooked to a golden perfection and topped with savory sauce and bonito flakes. Dotonbori dates back to the early 1600s, when a merchant named Yasui Doton started developing the canal to boost commerce. Though he passed away during this construction, his family completed the project and it became a vital entertainment district in the Edo period. This iconic neon sign, called Glico Running Man, has been a symbol of Dotonbori since 1935. It shows a runner crossing a finish line and has become a must-see spot for visitors. Dotonbori is also famous for its bright neon signs, which light up the district in the evenings and contributes to its vibrant, bustling atmosphere. If you're planning to take a trip to Osaka, Dotonbori should be at the top of your must-visit list. It's not just a sightseeing spot, it's an immersive experience that embodies the heart and soul of the city. The evening here will leave you with unforgettable memories and a deeper appreciation for the city's lively culture. Next up, Nara Park. Next, we arrive at Nara Park, home to hundreds of friendly Sika deer, known as messenger of the gods in the Shinto belief. If this deer doesn't look cute, tell me the definition of cute. If you visit between late May and early July, you'll get a special treat. It's fawn season. During this time, you might spot adorable deer fawns sticking close to their mothers. However, Nara Park is not only about nature and deer. It's surrounded by impressive historic structure that offers a window in Japan's rich past. And is a great spot to just relax or have a picnic. Just remember to bring your trash back home, because the deers will sadly eat people's remainings and might get hurt. Even there is other things than deer here, the main attractions are of course these lovely creatures. Just look at those eyes looking for human love or crackers. Close to Nara Station, you can find all kinds of foods, takoyaki, onhirayaki, and even fried chicken. In the end, it's the deers that make Nara Park so special, blending history, culture and a touch of wild charm into an experience you won't forget. Next up, Horyu-ji. If you're close to Nara, you can visit Horyu-ji, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Japan's oldest temples, known for its stunning 7th century wooden architecture. On the way to the temple, there are various shops and restaurants. Nothing beats a refreshing break with local ice cream and chilled beer, as you soak in the serene beauty of this historic landmark. Horyu-ji is considered the world's oldest surviving wooden structure. It was originally commissioned by Prince Shotoku in 607 AD, has been a significant landmark in Japanese history and Buddhism. The temple complex is home to several ancient buildings, with the main hall, kondo, and the 5-story pagoda being among the most notable. Despite being over 1,400 years old, these structures showcase remarkable craftsmanship and have stood the test of time. Next, Shinsekai. Welcome to Shinsekai, a neighborhood that feels like stepping into Osaka's past. The area was developed in the early 20th century with the idea of recreating Paris and New York. But over time, it became known for its unique, nostalgic charm. The bright lights and old-school signs, the towering Tsutenkaku Tower, give this place one-of-a-kind vibe. Shinsekai is a vibrant mix of retro charm, tasty street food, and iconic sights, making it a must-visit in Osaka. Here in Shinsekai, food is king. One of the most tried dishes is omurice, a fluffy, perfectly cooked omelette filled with fried rice, and topped with savory ketchup and demi-glaze sauce. Unexpectedly delicious. Some years ago, Shinsekai experienced a decline in visitors, but fortunately in recent years, Shinsekai has seen a bit of revival, attracting both locals and tourists with its unique charm, quirky shops, and growing number of trendy cafes along the historic landmarks. Shinsekai actually means New World, and is somewhat an ironic name for a neighborhood that feels like a time capsule. It's also showcasing old world charm with its retro game centers, vintage shops, and nostalgic atmosphere. Here, we can see one of the many retro game centers, where visitors can find classic arcade games and vintage machines that evoke nostalgia for a bygone era. These old school game centers are perfect for reliving the charm of gaming from past decades, and offers a unique experience you won't find in modern arcades. Next, Arashiyama. Next up is our last spot, Arashiyama. Most tourists will head north to the famous red gates of Fushimi Inari Taisha Shrine, but we'll head south to the more hidden gems of this area. First up, a short stop at Shōan-in Temple. This is a lesser known Buddhist temple near Arashiyama, offering visitors a peaceful escape from the more crowded sites. It features traditional architecture, beautiful gardens, and a tranquil atmosphere ideal for quiet reflection. The temple's understated elegance and connection to nature make it a hidden gem for those exploring the cultural depth of Kyoto. Along the road there are some food options. We will enter this soba restaurant called Furatto. The mood inside was very nostalgic and calm. It felt like stepping back in time. And the tea-infused soba noodles we ordered were absolutely delicious. Same for the dessert, matcha with red bean paste and mochi-looking balls. As a plus, the view of the garden was very nice. If you head in this direction, don't miss the ancient Saga Toriimoto Road, a historic travel route that connected Kyoto to the western regions of Japan. This route was once a vital pathway for travelers and pilgrims. It was constructed during the Heian period. The route played a crucial role in both the culture and economic exchange between the regions in this area, and you can still find old interesting objects scattered along the road. Next up, let's visit Adashino Nenbutsuji. Nestled in the serene hills of Arashiyama, Adashino Nenbutsuji is a temple deeply connected to Japan's Buddhist traditions. The temple is particularly famous for its breathtaking display of thousands of stone statues, known as Gizo, which line the temple grounds and are believed to guide the souls of the departed. It was established in the 9th century and was founded by the famous monk Kobo Daishi as a place for memorizing the deceased. There is a small bamboo forest inside the temple grounds, which offers a quieter, more peaceful experience compared to the more crowded bamboo grove near the iconic red torii gates. Next up, Otagi Nenbutsuji Temple. This is a truly unique and enchanting place. Established in the 8th century, the temple is known for its 1,200 stone statues of Lakan, or disciples of Buddha, each one with a distinct, often playful expression. These statues were created by local volunteers in the 20th century. Surrounded by lush greenery, this place has a calm vibe that makes it a great spot to relax and appreciate the creativity and spirit behind the statues. If you're looking for something a little different in Kyoto, this is a must-see. The beautiful nature combined with the statues makes it a perfect spot for photos and selfies. It's the kind of place that's not only full of history, but also brings a little joy and laughter to your visit. So that's it for today. Did you enjoy the trip? If you'd like to see more content like this in the future, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much for joining me until then, and see you in the next video. Bye!